From Sooner Standards, Computing Changes the World, a complete Grade 5 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 5ICCU01. Students learn to give examples of how computing technologies have changed the world and explain how technology and culture influence each other within my community. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. New this update, a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual technology and culture comparison chart, a CS careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQM rubric. Plus a 12-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 days of no prep, HQM-aligned instruction across 37 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.